Hey there! So, let's dive into a tricky problem that many developers might encounter when trying to synthesize keystrokes using PostMessage. The issue we're tackling involves generating the corresponding lParam for these keystrokes. It seems the MapVirtualKey function is not returning the extended flag as expected, causing some confusion in creating the correct lParam structure for certain keys like the up arrow. Now, onto the solution. In this case, the answer lies in understanding that MapVirtualKey defaults to the non-extended version for certain keys that are shared, such as the up arrow key in numpad 8. This shared virtual key code can lead to discrepancies in obtaining the correct scan code with the extended flag. By recognizing this behavior and considering the shared key mappings, you can adjust your approach to correctly handle the generation of the lParam. In summary, we've explored a common problem developers face when synthesizing keystrokes and identified the key factor causing the discrepancy in obtaining the extended flag from MapVirtualKey. By understanding the shared virtual key codes and adjusting your approach accordingly, you can overcome this hurdle and ensure accurate keystroke synthesis. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!